Detail. President Draupadi Murmu has said that it is our responsibility to safeguard the rights of the farmers and care for their future as they are Annadata, the food providers for humanity. Inaugurating the first global symposium on farmers' rights in New Delhi today, she said by safeguarding the rights of the farmers, we safeguard the future of the world, making it more brighter and prosperous. Talking about the diversity of the country, she said that India has more than 45,000 varieties of plants and widest range of spices. And by saving and preserving them, we will not only be saving humanity, but also the entire world.
There are about 45,000 species of plants, which is about 7% of world's total. In terms of biodiversity, India ranks as one of the nations endowed with widest range of plants and species. This rich agrobiodiversity of India has been a treasure trove for the global community at large. Our farmers have toiled and enterprisingly conjured local varieties and plants.